Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making Punjabi dal tadka or dal fry recipe. So let's begin. Now I have taken around half a cup of chana dal, half a cup of arhar dal, around 1 tablespoon of moong dal chilka and 1 tablespoon of moong dal. So now I have soaked all of these for around 3 to 4 hours. So now in a cooker I have added around 2 tablespoons of ghee, and in this I have added some ginger and 1 green chili which is slit. Now to this I'll add the soaked dal. Now to this I'll add around 1 cup of water, around 2 cloves and 2 cardamoms. Also I'll add around 2 bay leaves. To this I'll add around half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder, some salt as per taste, and I'll give these all a good mix. Now I'll add around half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to this. You can also use some cinnamon stick, and I'll give this a good mix. So now I have put all the spices to it, and now I'll just cover the lid and let it cook for around 3 to 4 whistles. So now in a pan I'll add around 1 tablespoon of ghee. Also I'll add around 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. This brings a very nice flavor to this. So now I'll add around 1 teaspoon of jeera and some crushed spices, which include around half a teaspoon of ajwain and half a teaspoon of saunf or fennel. These bring a very nice flavor as well as they help in the digestion. So now I'll add around half a teaspoon of hing to this and let these all crackle. Now I'll add around 1 teaspoon of ginger to this. You can also use ginger garlic paste if you want, or some freshly chopped garlic. Now I'll add around 2 medium sized onions to this. You can increase or decrease the amount of onions as per your taste. Also I'll add just a pinch of salt to this, and I'll cook this until it is well cooked. Now the onions have cooked well, so I'll add around 1 medium sized tomato and around 1/4 cup of tomato puree to this, and I'll add around half a teaspoon of coriander powder to this, and I'll let this cook until it's cooked well. Now to this I'll add around 2 tablespoons of water so that the tomatoes cook well and evenly. So now the dal has also cooked, so I'll just remove the bay leaf from it. So now this tadka has cooked well, so I'll just take out around 1 tablespoon of this and keep it aside. Also I'll add some more water to this. Also to the tadka that I had taken out, I have added around 1 teaspoon of butter. Also the tadka has cooked well, so I will just add the dal to this. Don't add all of the dal in one time. So I have added some water to the cooker, and now I'll add that water to the dal. Just mix this one time and let this cook for around 5 to 6 minutes. So I have just put the lid and I'll let this cook for 5 to 6 minutes. So now I'll just turn off the flame. 5 to 6 minutes have happened, and the tadka we had saved, we will just roast it a minute in butter. This will give a very nice smoky flavor to the dal.
कर दिया।
Also, I'll add one dried red chili to this. I'll just turn off the flame and add this to the dal. Give this a good mix and your dal tadka will be ready. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.